Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming
Tell us something, girlfriend.
of you.
What's up, guys? Your girl Abby there. As you can see by the title, I'm going to do the cat in bed with someone else prank. And I don't know, say, I must stay, but never yes with me. And so, I want to say, I don't know, say, I prank on dirty boy when you're careful. I want to say, nasty boy when you're careful. So, guys, right now, careful asleep. I'm going to on YouTube now. I'm going to see enough people do the same prank. So, I'm going to say, I'm going to jump on it, because you know, your girl always a jump with the prank, come with the prank. And so, yeah. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our comedy channel, Abby and Cap Comedy TV, and subscribe to Abby's Madness, that you're a good girl. And so, I remember to follow us on Instagram down below. So that man, you have nothing to say.
People, no homo. People, no homo. Just do it for the content.
Yeah, my name is Gyalis.
Yeah.
I want some dirty boy. Yeah. So guys, no further talking. Let's flick it to the video. People talk truth, talk God Almighty truth with God up above love. Look, oh, not once, keep come to me, keep watch her. I'm just a walk past my body, keep ear nice, not a horse, I could have thief, I could have anything. The boy not even wait me up and say, I'll be ear nice, and ear nice, and then again, him jump out and say, him not see me jump out of my sleep. Him not come check by me. Him not come check my pulse. Nah, no talk truth. If the dirty boy no a weird talk truth. Look at this. Watch him act like him a security. For him come check by me. Keep on my dead. Come check by me. I'm dead. Where you there? No, son, guys. If me ever know say I come around there, I say I'm sorry. Say watch ya. Look what boy catch me.
What fucking I bed? Yo, me not pray to God. Me have to God to my ass, you know. Yeah, catch me. I love some oil for the party. Man, so me a freak him and say, God, please don't make me put something on my body. Then I fight it up. I don't want that. I'm going to the food and brother. Let me say I need that bed, alright. No, say do that. More say, look, you hear the jump, you hear the push up. Come here, the bed goes. Yeah, brother, I'm going to fuck with my dog.
I want to pay the man about being on the bed.
No. I think him put it, I think him see me, but I said no, I better keep my cool, because I see him say nothing to me.
Yeah.
I'm choosing to put on me, I go, man.
I don't think you're not going to.
Yo, I'm sweating, I'm going to stamp on batty, but I can't. Yeah, there was some shit like, oh, yeah, go.
Yeah, I think I mean, I brother.
Yeah. Yeah, I was a man, my dog.
What's in the dog?
No, cause
Touch him on the
you got the sheet in our touch me.
Oh,
Yeah, you must be come and say, two I be sick, like I be like, I be all the sheets for say, me alone. But I want to, I be the wrong, you know.
What?
I be got like a blood clot from me. That's true.
you know, you like gun.
But I'm going to breathe, you know. Yeah,
Bad man. You
Brother,
like gun.
one day I become a king, I go so. Baby, like, yes. Yes. Cause, I see a gun and like, I say, I will be like a fan for like I be sick. I'm like, man, a blanket cheese, you know. Oh, I say, prison is a hot. Oh, that's a. I'm sick of a drunk.
Okay, guys, we're going to set up a girl will come in a pain. Like, I can't move. But, if you want to enjoy that one day, make sure to hit that one and subscribe to the video, comment, team, comment down below. I want to stop dirty one with them careful. Guys, I don't feel good. But I know I have to in I call it one heat pad. Because I'm peeing up and so. I know I'm going to stay real bad. Thanks to Dirty. That might somebody ask your Instagram since even. Yeah. Shout out to Instagram.
No, I can't not that.
After you get free promotion.
I know man come follow my brother. I know what you want come text me. I'm not funny, be a funny dude about the thing, you know.
But I want some dirty boy with them capo. I want some nasty boy with them capo. Team Abby has hey God, I never want the boy come. One of the things I'm gonna touch. He's gonna touch me like him normally do. But him hear the noise, he want to check on the house first. Since him see somebody in the bed, he decides he's gonna check on the house first. And if I ever know the boy I come with the ID in the bathroom on this. Subscribe if you're new and make sure to turn on notification bell. That's when we drop another video. Wanna get notified. Until then, your girl Abby is out. Bye.